The Payne's Wessex MOV Mark 9 marks the position of someone in the water during the day or night. Each bridge wing will be fitted with a man overboard, either inside or adjacent to a 4-kilogram lifebuoy. When the lifebuoy is released to drop or is thrown overboard, the man overboard is pulled from its bracket, the initiator is fractured, and the smoke is ignited. It is self-righting and will emit highly visible dense orange smoke for 15 minutes. Two 2-candela lights, visible from 360 degrees, will operate for a minimum of 2 hours.
Hi guys! Welcome to another video of my How to Be a Third Mate series. So today what I'm gonna do is we will be installing our new smoke signal for our MOB buoy. Alright. Okay, so these are the things that we will be needing this afternoon. This is the light attachment, the bolts and the nuts, the bracket, and then this is the MOB smoke signal, smoke and light signal. So before we do anything else, we have to read the instruction manual on how to install.
Step 1, remove transit
These
tag.
are the lights. Tapos, you have to remove the transit tag. Alright, perfect.
Upside down.
So if it's upright, it will turn on, and if it is inverted, it will turn off. Perfect. So now we'll be connecting this to the smoke signal. Oh, diba? Perfect.
So how many hours on duration?
How many hours on duration of the light?
Yes.
So according to Solas, it's only for 2 hours, but our previous smoke signal lasted for 2 days. So let's see. Let's try to invert. Alright, perfect. Turn it off. Alright, so say hi. This is my deck fitter and he will be helping me in connecting this one outside.
Step 3, fasten mounting bracket on outside of bridge wing bulwark. Select mounting point to avoid vibration as much as possible. So in our case, since this is only a replacement, the area where we will place the smoke signal is already fixed. With the life buoy chute, fasten the right angled brackets on outboard side of the life buoy chute. This is how it will look like. Since this smoke signal is different from the previous one, we had to drill new holes on our mounting.
Right, guys?
Meanwhile, for better ergonomics, we decided to do an outboard staging. So due to that, we had to complete our risk assessment and prepare the work permit, which we prepared and discussed moments before we continued with the job.
Now we install the smoke and light signal into the bracket using the bolts and nuts. And then you tie this connection. Be careful not to remove this one because this is the trigger. So you just have to tie this one to the connection to your MOB buoy. So a bowline will suffice. Let me show you. So a bowline will suffice. So once you release your MOB buoy and it rolls down here, then